this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
So I was going through Oregon yesterday and come up on this construction zone, and here in a minute you're going to see there's a truck behind me, but in the left lane it's closing, but the truck doesn't want to stay behind me. So he pushes it to get in front of me before the end of before the construction zone hits, but I go ahead and let him go. And right after that, he caught up with a pickup truck pulling a camper. Left lane's still closed, but he wanted around that pickup truck pulling a camper, so he takes it to the shoulder and goes around the pickup truck. Now, in front of that truck is an SUV. Somehow the big truck got around him. I couldn't see. And then was tailgating another car trying to pass it on the shoulder. But that car kept blocking the big truck. So a few miles down the road, everybody gets over to the left lane, and there is the big truck pulled over by a state trooper. So my guess is somebody decided, one of those four-wheelers, called the state police and reported the guy, for passing cars on the shoulder in the construction zone.
Blown away by what he said. I really wanted to let it go, but since my in-laws laughed, I blew up at him and called him an idiot. He was like, "Relax, it was a joke, didn't you get it?" "Well, it's your problem then." My fiance tried to calm me down after I stood up, but I got more pissed and told his friend publicly that he was uninvited from the wedding, took my stuff, and went home. My fiance came back and was flipping out at me, saying it was a joke, and I had no right to uninvite his best friend from the wedding like that. I pointed out how his friend's joke wasn't really a joke, but he said that I should quit being oversensitive and taking stuff too personally and seriously. We argued, and he said it's his wedding too, and that I was being controlling and moody. I broke down crying, and he accused me of using tears as manipulation to get the upper hand in the argument. I packed and went to stay with Mom. My future mother-in-law tried calling me to tell me how I'm trying to drive a wedge between her son and his friend by uninviting him from the wedding. I refused to speak to her on that, but my fiance and her are clearly upset and think I overreacted. I think OP's definitely not the jerk, and I would take this as not only enough evidence to question inviting the friend to the wedding, but also enough to question the wedding itself. Because clearly the fiance is on a different
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.